The renewable energy sector jobs in India. The renewable energy sector is growing rapidly in India, and there are many job opportunities available. Some of the most in-demand jobs in this sector include solar engineer. Solar engineers design, install, and maintain solar power systems. They need to have a strong understanding of solar technology and be able to work with a variety of materials and equipment. Wind turbine technician. Wind turbine technicians install, maintain, and repair wind turbines. They need to have a strong understanding of mechanical and electrical engineering, as well as be able to work at heights. Hydropower engineer. Hydropower engineers design, construct, and operate hydroelectric power plants. They need to have a strong understanding of civil engineering and hydraulics. Biomass engineer. Biomass engineers design, develop, and implement biomass energy systems. They need to have a strong understanding of biological and chemical engineering, as well as be able to work with a variety of materials and equipment. Geothermal engineer. Geothermal engineers design, develop, and implement geothermal energy systems. They need to have a strong understanding of geological and thermal engineering, as well as be able to work in remote areas. These are just a few of the many renewable energy jobs that are available in India. If you are interested in a career in this field, there are a number of things you can do to prepare. First, you should get a degree in a relevant field, such as engineering, environmental science, or business. You should also gain experience by working in the renewable energy sector, either through internships or volunteer work. The renewable energy sector is a great place to start a career. It is a growing field with many opportunities for qualified professionals. If you are looking for a challenging and rewarding career, then the renewable energy sector is a great option for you. Here are some of the top companies in India that hire for renewable energy jobs. Tata Power, Renew Power, Greenco Group, Adani Green Energy, SB Energy, Hero Future Energies. These companies are constantly looking for qualified professionals to join their teams. If you are interested in a career in renewable energy, then I encourage you to check out their websites and apply for open positions.